Herbal remedies for restoring taste and smell. In the realm of natural healing, herbs have long been celebrated for their medicinal properties. When it comes to recuperating from the loss of taste and smell, especially following infections such as COVID-19, certain herbs can offer significant benefits. This chapter delves into various herbs that are known for their potential to support and enhance sensory recovery. Ginger, the inflammation soother. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger is renowned for its ability to reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial in alleviating conditions that affect taste and smell. Stimulating senses. Its pungent flavor can help stimulate the taste buds, potentially aiding in the recovery of taste. Usage. Tea. Brew fresh ginger tea by simmering slices of ginger in hot water. Its warming effect is not only soothing, but also helps in stimulating taste buds. Cooking. Incorporate grated ginger into soups, stews, and stir-fries for an invigorating flavor that can awaken the taste senses. Essential oil. Use ginger essential oil in a diffuser to disperse its invigorating scent throughout your environment, stimulating the olfactory senses. Peppermint, the refreshing stimulant. Olfactory stimulation. The strong, refreshing scent of peppermint is known to stimulate the olfactory system, potentially aiding in the recovery of smell. Respiratory benefits. Peppermint can also help clear nasal passages, improving the ability to smell. Usage. Tea. Peppermint tea is a popular choice for refreshing the senses. Its cool, tingling sensation can awaken the taste buds and clear the nasal passages. Aromatherapy. Inhaling peppermint essential oil can provide a refreshing sensory experience, stimulating the sense of smell. Culinary uses. Fresh peppermint leaves can add a refreshing touch to salads, desserts, and beverages. Turmeric, the antioxidant powerhouse. Curcumin benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which might aid in repairing damaged sensory cells. Enhancing overall health. The general health benefits of turmeric can contribute to the recovery of taste and smell by promoting systemic wellness. Usage. Golden milk. Create a warm, soothing turmeric latte, often called golden milk, by mixing turmeric powder with warm milk and a dash of honey. Cooking. Add turmeric to curries, rice dishes, and soups for its health benefits and a subtle, earthy flavor. Supplements. Consider turmeric supplements, particularly those containing curcumin, for a concentrated dose of its antioxidant properties. Ginkgo biloba, the circulatory enhancer. Blood flow improvement. Ginkgo biloba is known for its ability to improve blood circulation, which can enhance the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to sensory cells. Neuroprotective properties. It may also help in protecting nerve cells, including those involved in taste and smell. Usage. Tea. Ginkgo biloba leaves can be brewed into tea, a traditional method of enjoying its circulatory benefits. Supplements. Due to the specific dosage required and the potency of its active components, ginkgo biloba is commonly taken as a supplement under the guidance of a healthcare provider. Rosemary, the aromatic tonic. Aromatherapy. The strong aroma of rosemary can stimulate the senses and is often used in aromatherapy for enhancing the sense of smell. Cognitive and nerve support. Rosemary is also known for supporting cognitive function and nerve health. Usage. Culinary uses. Incorporate fresh or dried rosemary into various dishes for its aromatic flavor. It pairs well with meats, bread, and potatoes. Aromatherapy. Use rosemary essential oil in a diffuser or as a part of a homemade potpourri to stimulate the senses and enhance mental clarity. Sage, the sensory enhancer. Sensory stimulation, sage with its distinctive flavor and smell, can be used to stimulate both taste and smell receptors. Antioxidant properties. It contains antioxidants that can help protect and repair sensory cells. Usage. Tea. Sage tea can be a calming and sensory-stimulating drink, especially when fresh leaves are steeped in hot water. Culinary uses. Fresh or dried sage can be used in culinary preparations, particularly in dishes like stuffing, poultry seasoning, and sauces. Smudging. Burning sage, also known as smudging, is a traditional practice known for its cleansing properties and can subtly stimulate the sense of smell. Precautions. Allergic reactions. Always be aware of potential allergies and start with small amounts to test for any adverse reactions. Interaction with medications. Herbs can interact with some drugs. Educate yourself on the side effects of your medications and how they can react with herbs and supplements you want to take. Herbs offer a treasure trove of health benefits and can be particularly helpful in addressing the loss of taste and smell. Whether used in cooking, as teas, or in aromatherapy, these natural remedies can provide a gentle yet effective approach to sensory recovery.
Would you like to become the healer of your home and your community and create a profitable online health coaching business? Are you interested in becoming a health coach, a naturopath, an herbalist, or a nutritionist? Do you need help finding the right program for studying holistic health and healing? Or perhaps you already have certification, but you're still not confident enough in healing people and don't know how to build a business that will empower you to have an impact and allow you to leave your regular day job. Are you ready to get a deep and comprehensive picture of holistic health and healing and learn from top healers in our day so that you can stop being stuck in a job or a career you don't have a passion for? Heal yourself and others without the need for pharmaceutical drugs with harmful side effects, doctors, or even dentists. Become more knowledgeable about holistic health and healing than most medical doctors who have graduated from medical school without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars and years of time in expensive medical schools or programs. Build a health coaching business that will allow you to work from home and achieve time, location, and financial freedom. Arukah.com empowers people to become the healers of their home and their community by equipping them with naturopathic herbalism, health coaching, and online business and marketing skills. My name is Mayim. I'm 42 years old and a homeschool mom of 7 beautiful children. These 2 in the photo are my October babies. I became a naturopathic herbalist and health coach in order to take charge of my family's health when the modern medical system kept failing us. We were spending thousands of dollars on insurance and other medical expenses, but they did not have any answers for our health problems. Working from home has been such a blessing for us. I used to work at the NASA Ames Research Center as a computer scientist/engineer. But being able to have an online business has enabled me to surpass my income at NASA and to be there for my family, homeschool them, take care of them, watch them grow up every step of the way for 18 years now. I started Arukah.com in 2009 to help people become healthy and heal themselves. I've coached all sorts of people, and eventually even medical doctors and nurses started coming to me repeatedly for help for various health issues for themselves or their loved ones. I help people heal themselves of serious diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and high blood pressure, diabetes, as well as other common issues such as hormone imbalances, abnormal bleeding, migraines, eczema, kidney stones, gallstones, cataracts, and even urinary tract infection. Various people began asking me to start teaching what I know about holistic health and healing, including 2 medical doctors who have become very good friends of mine. When I realized that there was such a demand for the knowledge I have that even medical doctors were telling me to teach, I shifted the focus of Arukah.com, and now we teach people how to become confident healers through our naturopathic herbalist and health coach certification program. We help people become healers of their home and community and create profitable online health coaching businesses. If you're interested in becoming a holistic healer, please visit our website, Arukah.com, ARUKAH.com. Again, that's ARUKAH.com. Hope to see you there.